Morning YouTube, UK Lockpicker back with another video, and in this one I'm going to be picking my new little toy, which is the revolver that the wife kindly bought us for my birthday yesterday. Came in good time from UK lockpickers.co.uk, so if you want any locks, picks or anything alike, head over to their shop on the internet. Got loads of good stuff in there, and the delivery is really fast as well. So I got this revolver with that bitten. I'm quite happy with the bitten. So I'm going to be picking it with this hook that I made the other day. Short tension wrench. I'm going to start at the arrow, so the easiest one first, and then work my way around. Decent bit of tension on this one, the first one anyway. Here's some good clicks. So one, that's one set. One, two, three, four. Last one, if I can get it. That's it, that's number one. It'll get stuck a little bit sometimes, but turn your pick round so the back of it's facing up with the keyway to the next one. Now we're starting on the security pins. This is totally stock, this, I've not messed about with it yet. So let's have a pop at this one. One, two. Sometimes they're set by themselves, but that was four. Right, we're into a bit of a false set, so we're on the spool pin. So spool pin gone. Same again, back of the pick at the top, spin it. Now this one is where the serrated pin is. That was three. Tiny little bit of movement on the core there. So the aim is that these get trickier the further they get round. And you can pin this up to a 6-pin lock, as most of you will know. This chamber is the only one that I get stuck on, really. I think. Maybe I've overset some of it. That's it. Yeah. Last one. Here we go. Number 1. Good set off number 1. Number 2's gone. One set, 2 is, 3 wasn't, 4, and then we're done. So there you are, back round to the beginning. So back to that point, and what we'll do is we'll strip the lock down, see what we've got. So you get a nice little kit. Let's move this back a little bit. You get a nice little Sparrows kit. Got all your repinning stuff in. That was the little lockpick that the missus bought us. That's going on my keyring for emergencies. You get your security pins, spools, serrator pins, mushroom pins, so you can repin that up, which I will be doing. Standard key pins, and your 6 pins, so you can make it into a 6-pin lock, which I am definitely going to do. You get new group screws in case you lose one because they're tiny. Got my little stickers, which I shall be putting on my vise. And you get some spare springs. I'm a bugger for losing springs, so they'll come in handy. And you get your Allen key. Your Allen key takes out all the grub screws, so then you can mess about with it. So we'll start at chamber 1. Tip these out. Dead easy to take apart these. Really good training aid. So, chamber 1. These are all going to be standard. Sorry, that was chamber 5, that was. So standard, standard. Standard. Get a shot of these springs. Standard. I've just mixed them up, but it doesn't really matter. So they're all standards. We'll go to the next one. Desperate for a repin and trailer. 1 standard. That one's stuck. So that one is stuck in there. Why would that be? That one's stuck as well. Right. Yeah. So we have chamber 2, standard, chamber 3, standard, chamber 4, it's a spill, and chamber 5, chamber 4, sorry, I think I've got stuff mixed up here, there's another spill. Getting re-pinned up later anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Standard in the last one. And move on to the next one. Make sure they're nice and loose this time. Talking quiet because the kids are in bed still, like it's early. I'm just going to dump all of these out. Later, they're all going to be populated with spill pins and serrated pins and all the other goodies. Excuse me. So on this one we have serrated and 2 serrated pins in that one. And a standard. Still one in there though. Don't know why, but they're getting stuck. I don't know, one's fell in that row. I don't know, one of them's for there. I don't know where I am in this bloody video. I don't know what's happened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh well. One of them must have come with only 4 pins in it. Don't know why that would be though. Never mind. Last chamber. So in this one we've got spiral, 2 standards, spiral, and a standard. Pop everything to one side. Right, that's the revolver kit. Picked, full revolution. Gutted, not the best, but I will. Oh, there's the other pin there. So that won't go there. Right, this is probably going to be edited, and you'll see all the nice pins. So, if you want your tools, go to uklockpickers.co.uk, and also join the Facebook group. It's a fantastic group. great community. Everyone will help you out. So, and if you like custom picks, get in contact. If you like this video, please subscribe and be kind to leave your comments. I'd love to know what you think of this great little lock. Thank you.